Comment 103 reminds you what it means for a fractional power to have a numerator other than 1. If it has a numerator of 1, it's just a straightforward backwards question. This is a coded instruction to tell you to invent a question where the answer is 8, where it's multiplication, repeated multiplication, so the same number multiple times, and in fact it needs to be the same number this many times. So it asks you to think of whatever fits this situation. Now, so in that case it's 2. Now, comment 103 says what to do if this number up here is not a 1. If it's not a 1, still do this, still come up with the number 2, still think that 8 to the power of a third is a 2, but then you take this number and you power it up by 4. So that's the backwards part and that's the forwards part. Another way of thinking of it is this. And finally, just as a shortcut, in the process of coming up with a 2, making sure that you got to 8, that can give you a shortcut when you then go 2 to the power of 4. You already know what 2 to the power of 3 is, it's 8. So for 2 to the power of 4, you just need to take your 8 and times by 2. I'll give you another example. 100 to the power of 5 over 2. That 2 says come up with a question which gives you 100 involving repetition. 2 instances, that's what the 2 means. 10 obviously works. So now we need to go 10 to the power of 5. Well, I already know what 10 to the power of 2 is. It's 100, so I just need to times by 10 another 3 times. So the answer to that is 100,000.